loving, caring. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Korean steamed eggplant. Fresh, homegrown, organic eggplants. Our own farming. This eggplant vegetable is famous in our region. So people always love to eat in different forms. In my home, my family always prepare different kind of dishes like fries and curries, chutneys, and different kind of recipes using these eggplants. I love this eggplant recipe. I'm adding some salt into water, otherwise eggplants will change its color. Let's cut eggplants. Wow, you can see how fresh it is. Preparing food with our own farming vegetables, it's a very satisfying thing. That too, serving to the children is a we cannot say that words. Very satisfying. I'm adding water to steam eggplants. Now we will prepare sauce. Finely chopped garlic, red chilli flakes, finely chopped green chilies, salt, garam masala, ground black pepper, olive oil, hot butter, mix well. Wow, sauce ready. Wow, well steamed.
Ready.
I'm adding steamed eggplant into sauce. Sesame seeds. Scallion greens. Finally, coriander leaves. Mix nicely. This recipe also finished. Super. Rice ready. Let's serve. Steamed eggplant.
స్టార్ట్ చేయమంటారా? Ultimate.
It's looking like a stuffed eggplant, right?
అదిరిపోయింది. అమృతం.
The flavor of garlic and chili flakes, it's a nice combination with butter.
ఆహా, యమ్మీ.
The fresh organic eggplants also giving a fresh flavor. This kind of a pleasant environment, if we make these kind of recipes, and it's a wonderful experience. It's an awesome experience.
మాటలు.
No words. Chicken soup. Additionally, we did chicken soup for children. Chicken piece. Hot chicken soup. If you squeeze lemon like this and then eat, you will feel awesome experience. Korean steamed eggplant. Super!
అన్నం చూడు అక్కడ